you. Hello, my name is Alejandra Castillo, and I am the Vice President of Sales for Waldorf Astoria Residences Miami. I am here on level 12, giving you an exclusive look at our progress. I want to share with you some of the exciting things that are happening on site. We're currently installing the glass facade. We poured level 19 last week, and we are pouring the pool deck level in the beginning of March, followed by the amenity level, which includes the spa and the fitness center. More importantly, we're averaging one floor every 10 days. This is so exciting. I can't wait to see how Waldorf Astoria Residences Miami will reshape Miami's skyline. We still have inventory available. Please reach out to me for more details. And please stay tuned for more updates. See you soon.